Hi, I'm Cindy. I work for the Digital Mods Group.
And my name is Nathan Brown. I am one of the construction managers for the S&P Strategic Modernization Program.
And the vision is to modernize the plant systems using a phased approach. And in doing that, we're able to create a standard control system interface. The system is monitoring for faults, and when it does sense one, it'll place SEDMEX in a double hold configuration, which will prevent an inadvertent drop rod and any subsequent reactor trips. So we've now added the capability for automatic rod motion, and that really is just an operator entering a desired position, and the system will move rods to achieve that.
I want to kind of talk about the innovations that took place. This was a massive effort. We could no longer get these shorting plugs that we needed to install on the reactor head. We implemented 3D printing of these plugs, and it worked flawlessly. The old MG sets were 11,000 pounds, so we utilized air skates to effortlessly move these MG sets out, and by doing that, we actually increased our safety margin as well.
The primary reason why we were so successful is because we had a lot of help from all the external groups.
And this dedication and teamwork here at Palo Verde is going to help us continue to safely produce reliable and affordable clean energy for the long term.